That's Macy. Macy Sue Holland. Oh, that's a big yawn. Can you talk to Mama? Can you talk to Mama? Yeah? Yeah. Can you tell me that story again? Can you tell me? Yeah? What's over there? What are you looking at? That's awful far to your right. That's awful far to your right. Do you think he'll be right-handed? Do you think he'll be a right-handed little one? Huh? Yeah? Can you talk to Mama anymore? Do you have anything else to say? Yeah? I love you. I love you. I love you. Yeah. That wasn't the most pleasant sounding conversation ever. Oh. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.